Here is how to properly execute the bench press. Lie on the bench and get into a position where your eyes will be directly under the bar. Grab the bar with a little wider than shoulder width grip with your thumbs around the bar so that the bar is on top of your palms. The longer your arms, the wider your grip can be. To unrack the bar, straighten your arms while holding the bar and push the bar straight up. To perform the lift, lower the bar with control until it touches the middle of your chest. When the bar touches your chest, push the bar back up to the top until your arms are straight. To end the lift, push the bar high enough so that it's a little bit higher than the spot where you unracked it. Once there, guide the bar straight back until it hits the rack and is safely secured.